Hello everyone. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of a 2023 MacBook Pro M2 Pro in China, where I'm currently staying. And this is the first time I ever bought an Apple product in China. Usually I buy them when I'm in the US. And so I just want to do an unboxing. Let's go ahead and start. So this is how it came to me. Quite nice. You know, what does this say? Oh, yeah, gotta be careful, there's batteries. So without further ado, let's go ahead and open it up. Ooh. Oh yeah. I don't expect the Apple or MacBook to be any different in China than it would be in the US. Yeah, on the website it said that they're the same, and I was able to select US English in the options. So, yeah. Oh, I'm not sure if I want to show you that. But anyways, so let's see. Let's get rid of this. And, yep, here we go. We have to turn this off. And now we can open this beautiful MacBook Pro. Oh yeah. Boom. The sleeve right here. Ooh, interesting. Okay. It's a little heavier than I expected. I think it's like something like 2.5 pounds, but it just feels heavy. Or is it 3? Wow, this is really like my old 2014 MacBook Pro. Let me see if it's here. Yep. All right, so here's a 2014. My other one was a 2018. So 2014, 2018, and now 2023. This is heavier than I expected. I thought it was gonna be a lot lighter. I guess I'm doing now 2014 versus a 2023 comparison, huh? MacBook Pro has this nice embedding. But yeah, I don't know. See, I thought it was getting a little bit nicer. It has like these rounded edges, just like the 2014. If anybody has like a 2021 or when did they last change it? I think 21. Can you guys comment and say like if it was more like the hard edges or if it's very similar? So now you have the SD slot, HDMI, and then what is this called? The flash, not flash, some other slot, you know. And then, oh, before we open it, let's see what this is. Designed by Apple in California. Made in China. They can't even say it's made anymore because, you know, they can't say made in the US. Okay. I don't know what this says. And then, oh, we got the power. Hey, I thought I ordered the other one. That's strange. Okay, there was like a choice you could make. I think it was like 63 watts versus 93 watts, something like that. And I ended up choosing 63 watts, which I thought it would be smaller. That was the main reason why I chose it. Oh, this is nice. Yeah, so you got the mag charger now, the magnet charger, where if it pulls, it'll just snag off and it won't pull your computer onto the ground or something. This cord is quite nice too. It's like, how do you say, like an outdoor type of wrap fabric, you know? I don't know if it's vinyl or, no, it's not vinyl. But yeah, quite nice. Much better than the past. Okay, so then this is probably like just like, you know, warranty and all that junk. All right, so let's go ahead and see, turns on. Whoa, it comes with this. Oh man, there's a new seat. I'll have to cut that out. Hello. Ni hao. Yeah, so cool. All right, so now I'm gonna select English. That's funny, those, yeah, 4 different Englishes. And select our time in region or country. Okay.
macOS contains a built-in screen reader called VoiceOver. If you know how to use VoiceOver, press Command F5 now to turn it on and set up your Mac. If you would like to learn how to use VoiceOver to set up your Mac, press the Escape key.
No, thank you. Continue. Not now. Oh, Wi-Fi. You know what? All right, I don't know. I don't even know the Wi-Fi. I need to figure out the password. I might continue this if it's worthwhile, but then overall, this computer feels very good. It's quite nice. And yeah, I mean, it's not as light as I thought it would be. It's and not as thin as I thought it would be. Let's see, let's do a comparison again with the 2014. That's almost, what, 10 years ago, 9 years ago. And it just feels like, wow, it's actually thicker. Sorry, it's, all right, let me do this. It's a lot thicker, or not a lot, but surprisingly it's thicker. That's kind of disappointing. I thought it would be thinner. I thought it was gonna be lighter and thinner. Actually, I think it's kind of cool to compare this 2014 with 2023, you know. I chose the, as far as like the, not the CPU, yeah, the CPU and GPU, 10 core, 16 core, got the 16 RAM, and then I got the 1 terabyte SSD. They recommend that if you get the 10 core, the basic, to upgrade to a 1 terabyte, because if you choose 512 gigabyte hard drive, it's slower because it's like only, is it 2 chips now instead of 4? But if you get the 1 terabyte, then that SSD will help with the 16 gig RAM. I think the 32 gigs is about it's $400 more. So then, yeah, I think this is better anyway. Okay, yeah. So that's it for this video. This is now turned into from a unboxing to a comparison between a 2014 model of a MacBook Pro and a 2023. Oh, as you can see, this one has the light, and they got rid of that some years back. Anyways, I hope that helps, guys. And if you have any questions or comments, please let me know. And yeah, here you go. The 2023 MacBook Pro M2 Pro Apple Product Edition.